Hi friends, Linda here with Life on Summer Hill. Today let's make a paper bag planner. You might be asking, what is a paper bag planner? It is a paper lunch bag converted into a small planner for plants and flower pots. So let's begin by collecting some supplies. You will need a paper lunch bag, scissors, paintbrush, glass bowl and hot pad, tea lights, ink pad, and stamps. So next, measure how tall you want your planner to be. Then fold your bag over with an extra 2 inches. Now, cut along the crease line and then fold the top down twice with a 1-inch fold. Now, fold the bag flat on the table and then stamp a design either with letters or whatever you want on the bag. Now, remove the wax from the tin and remove the wick from the wax. And then place your wax in a bowl and microwave it for 1 minute. Then stir and repeat until the wax is melted and hot. Begin brushing the liquid wax onto the bag, starting on one end at the top and painting a straight line down. Repeat this until the outside and the inside of the bag is finished. Now you're all finished. Place your plant in your bag and put it in a beautiful place in your home. Subscribe for more DIY projects, or there are more details in the blog post at Life on Summer Hill. I hope you have a great day. Thanks.